لا يزال الخير حيا لا يزال إن في الدنيا سلاما وظلال أخبر الأيام أنها في وصال قم بنا وانظر لآيات الجمال قم بنا وانظر.
What's going on, guys? So today we're at a different hotel, a different location in Lebanon. We're hitting up I think it's the refugee camps. So we're paying them a visit, getting the content shot for the charity. And yeah, Haider's just pulled through. We're about 10 kilometers away from the Syrian border. So we're very, very close to Syria. And the refugee camps where we're gonna be, so very near. Hello, mate. Huh?
Emotional one with the camera.
No, not even still. So yeah, guys, we'll see you over there. This is hotel number 2. I can't lie, it's actually quite nice. Slightly better than the other one. Yeah, man. Double bed. Let's go. We got ourselves a nice little toilet with a spray. Oh my god, thank god. The other one never had that. You have to bring the imaginary loader, i.e. water bottle. Because if you're not using water, what are you doing? What are you doing? If you guys hear me talking with like some American accent, it's because Anthony is American and Haider's wife's Canadian. So like, it's just rubbing off on me. Y'all know what I'm saying? I'm joking. No. But anyways, this is it. Well, I don't know why I'm vlogging in the toilet. Like, it's okay to do because it's really not. So yeah, guys, we're gonna go to the camps. It's about an hour drive from here. Realistically speaking, this is I don't know, man, I can't find the word to describe like the things I've seen and the people that we've encountered. And I'm talking from the hospitality of the Lebanese people to like the orphan. Like it's a real eye-opener, as I said in yesterday's part of the vlog. Like places like this hotel where it's so nice, like I don't feel like I deserve it, man. I feel like I wish I could just trade places. I don't know what I'm saying, but yeah, man, like grateful. I think it's the word, gratitude. That's just the one word that I want to push out from this vlog, is just be grateful, man, honestly. But yeah, I'm gonna skedaddle, I'm gonna get downstairs and we're gonna go, and obviously I'll be taking you guys there. That's Anthony doing a hyperlapse. السلام عليكم.
وعليكم السلام.
كيف حالك؟
الحمد لله.
الحمد لله. Still going. This is Mahmoud.
Palestinian refugee in Lebanon.
You're Palestinian?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, I am Palestinian.
I just found out Suhail was Syrian.
Syrian.
Well.
I am Palestinian.
I am Lebanese.
He is
Lebanese?
Yeah.
Look.
Yes, that's the flag. What does it mean again?
فليكن سلاحك نصر السلام.
Let your weapon distribute peace.
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, inshallah.
Hey, mister. Nice hat. Your hat is good. Yeah.
Mahmoud, you're gonna show us a tour of the camp, yeah?
Here is a Syrian refugee camp in Ansal. Contains 110 families. We will distribute for them diesel and blankets for every family. 20 liters of diesel and 1 blanket. The smartest, and there's a whore. I don't know if you want to look. We will visit. بالعكس.
تعال.
بعرفك بدناش يقدر يصوروا.
These are some ancient Roman ruins. Nice. This is another city that we're at. It's quite scenic actually. Hey guys, we're just on our way to a Palestinian refugee camp, so it's a bit similar to yesterday. We'll be creating the content for the charity that we're working with and distributing blankets and food, and I think it's diesel, I'm not sure. But yeah, there's a nice little masjid over there. I don't know if you can see it. Hello! So yeah, we'll see you guys over there inshallah.
The Baratli.
صفتك ما have you جابنا اللوكيشن لهون.
Shadow is on the steps there. On the see how the light over here.
What? See
How's it going, bro?
Good, man, good. I'm tired.
Are you?
He's faster than me.
Okay, last time.
Thank you.
Selfie, everybody?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay, come on.
Hi.
Thank you.
Welcome.
شكرا جزاك الله خير.
We're gonna be here and then we're gonna go to. Are you filming?
Huh?
You filming?
What?
Are you filming?
Huh?
Oh look, the drone's up, the drone.
After here we're gonna go.
I forgot what I was gonna say. But we're gonna go to another camp which is a lot bigger. There's a lot more houses, so we can get a more wide, like a drone shot
Okay.
of like more camps. Because this one's quite small.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna go to someone's house and do a little fake iftar for the.
Oh,
videos.
fake iftar. Yeah.
Give them some food and dates and everything.
It's the way we gotta do it, man. Yeah. You're still being filmed.
Hi, my name is Noura. I'm 14 years old. I'm from Syria, but I'm living in Lebanon. My family and I, we are 7 children, and my dad and my mom. 9 in my family. My father has a heart sick, and he should every day take some medicine. Are too expensive.
Okay.
Yes.
So hopefully, what we do, the charity.
Charities can help us after this video.
ما اسمك؟
جمالة.
ما اسمك؟
قصي. قصي.
طيب.
Sad surprise. One day we lived in afraid for him, and it neighbors to us about him, and there was no news.
Oh, can you close that door?
This is the state that they're living in. As you guys can see, it's like an underground village. This is the butcher.
This is the electricity wire, the internet wire, and the water hose.
So the water and electricity are.
Water, electricity together, not close to each other. You can see behind you, they are together.
Wow. So anything, like, as soon as water hits electricity, you know what happens, right?
There's a lot of youth that from this here. Every year that minimum 7-8 persons from this situation.
Crazy. Assalamu alaikum.
Also the water here is salty.
Salty.
Water here is salty.
So they need to boil it.
No, they buy another water for cooking and to drinking and to take bath.
What did they use the salty water for?
Washing dishes, cleaning the house. And also when they washing dishes with salty water, they bring sweet water and end it with sweet water.
Okay.
نروح بيت واحد فنقلنا الأكثر.
That's sewage water. Guys, the conditions that they're living in, it's like an underground. It's so crazy, man. Like that's what we're working with. And to think we complain about our houses or our streets. So the ceiling's beginning to collapse in this room, and you can see like debris on the floor and whatnot. So this is the living conditions, man. So sad. I can't even find words right now.
But most of the Palestinians can speak English.
Yeah, I see.
I am electrician, not engineer, technical electrician.
Yeah.
I'm from Siblin Center.
Look at this clown. Absolute clown. What is he doing? What is he doing? This Jav's edit guy, man. That's a container, man. واحد
اثنين ثلاثة.
English, huh? No? Okay, ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3! Yes, good. Good job. Oh. Bilal, you zoom on Bilal.
2, 3. Ready.
1 2 3 Suhail, you look like Sylvester Stallone, huh? Yes, sir. I've never seen so many fruits or tasted as much fruits as this. What's going on, guys? So today is the last day of like work in Lebanon. I was gonna go have some lunch, well, dinner at the roof, on the rooftop. It's dinner, but it's before dinner.
Jeez, man, like a vlogger
On the rooftop. So, oh, Popeyes.
The warning.
Yeah.
It doesn't taste the same as actual Popeyes.
Oh, you've already had it.
My wife. Huh?
You already had it.
I've had Popeyes in Canada. My wife just had it. She did.
Oh, right, okay. Popeyes.
So funny.
And yeah, this is Tony's last day, man. In Portuguese we say despachar, which is like to dispose, but it's not dispose, it's like to say bye-bye, you know? Oh, there's a swimming, oh, I saw the swimming pool. We haven't used it though. But yeah, guys, this is the view of Beirut.
Yo, it's nice, man.
Hey, man.
It's the sunset, my friend.
Oh, trust me, I got it. Beirut. Oh. Lovely stuff. Yeah, man. I'm gonna miss this place for real, man. It's been nice. It's been eye-opening to say the least. I'm just gonna have some lunch. And that's it for now. You know, in my contract for weddings, I say that I don't photograph or videograph anyone eating or drinking.
Let's get some ASMR.
This guy. Right, guys, Anthony, it's been nice knowing you.
Oh,
it's been real, as you say. And yeah, it's been a pleasure working with you, man.
Pleasure with you too,
For real.
Dude, fist bump.
Is there? Right, we might see each other again. No doubt we will.
Absolutely.
And so you shall be featured in another video.
Absolutely. You come to America too.
Yes,
Come
definitely.
to Detroit, my friend.
Alright, anything you want to say?
No.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum, guys. So today's the last day in Lebanon. We're not doing anything today, like no work. We're not gonna chill too much either. We're just gonna go grab some food, say goodbye to Mahmoud and Sahel, and then we'll be making our ways. We are actually now headed to Kenya to do some more charity work for another week, inshallah. But yeah, guys, that's the trip concluded in Lebanon. I have to admit, like it's been amazing. The people that we've come across, like I will cherish for the rest of my life. I will always keep it in my heart. And you know who you are. The people that I visited who are watching this video as well, like you've touched my heart in ways that I never thought you could. And just being here has been a real eye-opener for me personally. Like I've learned a lot and I value a lot more than I did before. From every brick that I have in my house, from my roof, from the warmth in my house to the food that I eat, every grain of rice I'm grateful for. And I hope that I will never forget the lesson I've learned on this trip. And I'm sure there's lessons to learn on my next trip, but seeing the state of the way that some of the people are living here is it's not fair. They don't deserve it. Like the Palestinian refugees yesterday, the state that they're living in, it's like an underground maze. It's like they're living underneath the world, and roofs are collapsing, as you saw. No electricity, and even if there is electricity, the wires, the electricity, internet and water are all in one sort of area, and if anything was to mix, there would be catastrophe there would be fires blazing. That's the state they're living in. They barely have 4 walls to call their home, and that's not right. That's not how it should be. These people lived happy lives. These people live lives like us once upon a time, but oppressors came and oppressors went, but they still suffer the consequences, and they suffer the consequences 60-80 years later. Nakba happened around 1940, and the Palestinian refugees are still suffering, and they weren't even born in that period. That's the extent of the damage that corruption has on people that are less advantaged, and people that are innocent. And the message that I have for everyone watching this video, whether you're rich, whether you're poor, whether you're a boy, whether you're a girl, whether you're Muslim, whether you're non-Muslim, whether you're young, whether you're old, is just be grateful. Just say shukr, say alhamdulillah, praise Allah for every single thing you have. And I mean it from the bottom of my heart. Like, say thank you to Allah for everything, and only then will He give you more. Only then will you find true contentment. And I mean this. I genuinely mean this. I'm not just saying it for camera. I'm not just saying it because I'm in my feels or whatever, I genuinely mean this. So say thank you for everything. I swear to God, say thank you for everything. That's the one thing. If you're watching this video right now, though, I just want you to say alhamdulillah for everything, because we don't know how blessed we are. I don't know how blessed I am. I can count my problems with my fingers. My blessings, I will never be able to count. For as long as I am on this earth, I'll never be able to count, as I said earlier. And yeah guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, do leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new to the channel. Kenya vlog will be coming out soon, inshallah ta'ala, and I'm looking forward to that one as well. And yeah, it's been a pleasure. Lebanon, thank you. Syrian refugees, thank you. Palestinian refugees, thank you for everything, for the hospitality, for the welcome, for the love, and I love you all for the sake of Allah. Okay guys, I'll see you in the next video inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.